What's up guys, I'm Ben from AuthenTech and this is the DJI Osmo Action, and today we're going to be testing a few different mic adapter options to see if we can get to work. Now companies like DJI and GoPro, they often want you to buy their first party audio adapter from USB-C to 3.5 mic input, but today I'm hoping that one of these third-party options from Amazon might work out, and it'll be a lot cheaper. There's a lot of mystery surrounding this little audio adapter and a lot of questions floating out on the internet. For example, lots of funny and interesting comments over on Kai's video. At about 9.5 minutes into the video, he's dangling this audio adapter looking cable, and then he switches over to the Rode Video Micro that we have here, and the audio magically sounds so much better. The funny thing is, we can clearly see he's wearing a lav on his shirt, and a ton of people are asking over and over in the comments to see what adapter he's using. There's no links in the description either. And some people are even saying he just sort of cheated the video and he was using the mic on his shirt and that third-party adapter that he was using, since the first-party one from DJI isn't out yet. I have no idea what the truth is, but today, hopefully we'll find out a solution. As always, all links will be down below, and make sure you're following me on Instagram for all my behind-the-scenes shots. Check out my other Osmo action videos in case you missed it, and let's jump right in. So these are the parts and pieces. Let's unbox and start testing, see if any of these work. First up is this Rode Video Micro. It's popular and it's a compact directional mic. I bought it for about 58 bucks on Amazon Prime. It's super popular, tiny, and portable. Plus there's no battery required. It's powered by the camera plug. Now again, I'm not sure if the Osmo Action's actually gonna output that minimum 3 volts power required by this Rode mic. Here's two of the USB-C adapters that I got. This one's USB-C to a little adapter mic and headphone jack from Cable Creation. Bought all these with my own money on Amazon. Let's get into video. This is the onboard microphone of the DJI Osmo Action. How does the audio sound? Again, there's no 3.5 mic input on these action cameras, unfortunately, so we have to use a USB-C adapter. Gonna plug that in. Here we go. Plugging it into the mic jack. And how does the audio sound? That's a little exciting because I haven't tested this, and I'll have to copy it over to see if there's an audio difference. This is recording with the Cable Creation audio adapter. Unplug it, and how does the audio sound now? Alright, now without checking the results, as a little fun surprise, let's try the second one, and hopefully, fingers crossed, one of these will work. Again, this one is simple. It's from Cable Matters. The specs are listed here. It's USB 3.1 Type-C. It's a TRRS. Let's switch this mic jack over into here. So that's just TRS. Plug that in. All right, this is take 2. The Cable Creations. This is audio on the Osmo Action onboard mic. Let's plug in USB-C. I don't see anything pop up on the screen, but we're still recording. This is audio on the Rode Video Micro. Any audio difference? We'll see. I'm not hopeful. I think I saw that the DJI Osmo Pocket, you need their first party adapter. Only that one worked. No third party adapters work. So I'm not super hopeful, but if something like this could work, that'd be amazing. All right, let's jump on the computer and see if we get any audio difference. And how does the audio sound? That's a little exciting. Bummer. Audio on the Rode Video Micro. Any audio difference? No difference. Bummer. Well, sad news. Doesn't seem like either of those adapters work. Now, this obviously isn't a comprehensive list. There's some TRS to TRRS patch cables. There's a ton of other third-party adapters that might work. However, I have an inkling that DJI will lock us down to just their adapter to only work, just like GoPro did. And as for Kai's video, well, I'm not sure what adapter he's using or what's actually going on. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Quick audio test to show that the Rode Video Microphone is working just fine when connecting to a regular camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. well, there you go, guys. Kind of a bummer, but it doesn't seem like any of these worked. Now, interesting enough, if we search on Kai's video, there's a ton of people asking about the Rode adapter mic. How is it working? Is it legitimate? On his Twitter, he posted the exact adapter that he used, and what do you know? I just went ahead, purchased it. It comes in a couple days, and be sure to know that I will be testing it. I have a feeling or an inkling that it's not actually going to work, but stay tuned, because if it does, I'll for sure upload a video on it. So a quick recap: bummer that these adapters, the generic cheapos on Amazon, do not seem to work on the Osmo Action. It makes sense that they went with the proprietary adapter, only theirs will work. It's gonna cost a lot more, I'm sure of it. It's still not out yet, so I'm not sure when it's being released. Now, of course, I'm gonna keep testing different adapters as they come in, and if anything works, I'll be sure to update you guys and let you know with a fresh vid. If you guys know any more adapters or ideas for an external mic setup for the DJI Osmo Action, let me know down in the comments. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.